So I've been trying to fix this Delonghi Nespresso EN670. It's been leaking so bad here. So first off is once you take all these covers from here and this one, gonna have to remove the screws here and remove the top cover. Which you can just flick the lock here, locking mechanism here. This one, oh no, this one you can flick it somewhere here. So once you take that off, you're gonna have to unscrew this one and screw these two up here. So as you can see, I've already unscrewed it because I've already fixed it clearly, and you have to unscrew this one here, which is holding this one, holding this nozzle. So once you unscrew that, you can take this nozzle off, and just remember you have to unscrew this one here, the screw here, and the other one in the other side. So once you unscrew that, you can take this nozzle off. Just have to remove the tray, and then that's it. So once you remove the nozzle, you can remove this nozzle again, the inside nozzle. So in order to remove it, I'm just gonna have to put the, you have to gently flick the lock here. There's a lock in here, there, on the side and on the other side, and you can, and then after that you can, I'm not sure if I can still get it since I've already fixed it. If you can see this, you have to gently remove this one, this nozzle here. There's a lock there, this one, and there is a lock on the other side, under. Once you take that off, you can see this has a large O-ring. This is the original that came with it, and it's not really holding the pressure. That's why this one is leaking too bad all over this nozzle, coffee extractor. So I bought an O-ring from the hardware Home Base. This is the brand, came with sets on it. And then at first I picked, I was using this one, but I wasn't able to fit it in because I'm guessing this is too thick for it. So I did try the next one, the smaller one, and managed to fit it there. And then when I tried it, it fixed the leaking issue, although there's still a really little bit of leaking, but I guess that's already normal for the coffee machine. So that's it. I've already tried brushing this one here. I've already tried descaling this one. I bought the descaling kit from Nespresso, but it didn't really help that much. So the last thing that I'm suspecting is the O-ring there. The gasket doesn't hold the pressure, so it leaks so bad. So again, this is the second capsule after I installed the O-ring. So let's try if there's still a leak. First is we're gonna have to try the smaller one. So there is no more leaking. Then I usually extract twice in a single capsule. So that's it. That fixed the problem. So no more leaks. If you can see there. No more leaks there. Yeah, that fixed it. I also replaced the screws because I think that this is a bit hard to find. So I replaced it with this one. I didn't bother to cut the tips because it fits in a way. I replaced the screws at the back of this Nespresso, so I can just open it easily. And again, this is the original O-ring. Oh, hang on. Why it doesn't focus? So this is the original O-ring, and I replaced it with this one, which I got from Homebase. The brand is PrimaFlow. It's assorted. It's a mix of it. Just have this one. So yeah, that fixes it. If your Nespresso is leaking and the problem doesn't go away, even though you already descaled it, even though I've already brushed the filter inside this one, I've already descaled it, and it didn't fix the issue. So it was still leaking pretty bad. So I had to fix it by replacing the gasket or the O-ring from the extraction head. So yeah, that fixed it.